This is the South Carlsbad State Beach Campground. This San Diego beach features swimming, surfing, fishing, picnicking, and best of all, an epic bluff top campground. Amenities here include a camp store that sells some basic essentials like firewood, food, water, and toiletries in case you forgot something. There are several bathrooms with showers throughout the campground, and they are clean and functioning well. Of course, our favorite part of staying here is the direct beach access. The ocean is just a few steps away. There were a few overland rigs and some ground tents, but it was mostly RV campers here. South Carlsbad State Beach. That was pretty awesome. I think that's on the list of my top favorite beach locations to camp at in Southern California. The ocean, the way it sounds, is so loud that you can't hear people next to you. I think that was the highlight of this trip. There's just a bunch of rocks on the beach instead of sand, so you just hear these giant waves. It just creates this white noise, and it was so peaceful to listen to. I slept like a baby, and yeah, I think this was a great camping spot. The only downside, there was these giant pelicans flying around, which the kids love to see, but they pooped all over my truck, so we'll have to wash the truck when we get home. Yeah, make sure to subscribe. I'm going to talk about on an upcoming video how we find these camping destinations, whether that's primitive, dispersed, or at a actual campsite like this. I'm gonna make a dedicated video. So do all the YouTube things, like, comment, subscribe, and keep an eye out for that video. I'll remind you guys as usual, get outside, stay hydrated, and keep on moving.